Hello, everyone. Before I get to show you the 2026, or should I say 2027, 2028, 2029 to infinity planner, I want to tell you that I am so excited because it took me so long. And I had so many people asking me, hey, when is the physical planner going to become a digital planner? And due to popular demand, I finally did it. And I'm so excited. And because of that, I'm going to be giving away one free planner. So drop your favorite emoji below, and I will pick at random a lucky winner that will get their hands on this beautiful, beautiful, if I do say so myself, planner. Thank you for being here, everyone, and welcome back. Due to popular demand, I finally launched the digital planners. So I have the 4 covers, the same as the physical planners. I just showed you the blue one, but we have this cover option, this one, and this one for cover option. So again, this is the physical planner turned into a digital planner due to popular demand. So have the same things here in this planner. Let me show you the how to use this journal, how to organize your day, And then I just added a little bit of Parisian theme here and the croissant. It is Rio and I'm going to eat it right after this video. And we have here our vision board as we have here as well. Let me show you. This is a vision board, and I told you I have a different way of having the vision because I want you guys to have not only pretty pictures on Pinterest, but I also want you to have set that your visions are your goals. So you want to put your goal, when you want to complete it by, what you want the least of features, and what the feeling that it will bring you, and what are your next actionable steps. And I did add a blank page here so you can add your pretty pictures from Pinterest, your vision board there. This one doesn't have it, the physical one, but you can always obviously add and keep that in here in the side pocket. And then we go to this page here. You see here inspirational quote here too. And then it goes into the December planning, the monthly overview planning that I will show you right now. Right here. This is a monthly view where you will put your sticker, and I already filled it out here for December. Also, what is new in the digital version is the weekly routine, which let me show you here. For each page, we have a weekly routine, and I have it here. So your routines for the week, each day of the week. And I have them in here as well, and you can write down your week. And then I segregated it to make sure you capture your routines for work and anything for personal. And it can be work/hobbies. You can replace it for whatever you want. So this is the weekly routine page, digital page. And let me just show you. And the same, if you have the physical planner, starts with the same. This is a 2-in-1 planner. So it has journaling on the left-hand side and organizing your day on the right-hand side. And we do have a schedule from 6 to 9 p.m., your to-do list, your self-care, nutrition, your meals, wellness, anything you're doing for wellness, exercise, meditation. And let me show you how it looks on the, if you have it already, you already saw this page, but this is how it looks in the physical planner. Okay. And another thing that is different here, so this is undated, so you can start anytime, same like the physical planner. And it has all the months here as tabs. So let me just go there so you can see all the little beautiful quotes. This is for January, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And all of them do have the monthly overview, weekly routine, work, your morning journaling, and starting your day with your to-do list. So, and then if you click the little here famous half sun, half moon, it always takes you back to your vision board. so you can keep coming to your goals and to your beautiful Pinterest page that you're going to have here. So if you are in any page here, let's say you planned out December, you made it all cute, added your quotes, fill out the date, your important things to do. You can just go back to the little circle, half, I like it, call it half sun here. And it takes you back to the main vision board to review this. And I just linked it to go back to here because it's just so cute and it's Paris themed. So why not? As they say, Paris is always a good idea. So, yeah, make sure you keep visiting your goals and keep tracking and looking at this. And then another thing that you can do is also once you get out of this mode here, when you have a page, you can also, let's see, actually, let me go back here. Let's say you wanted to make this page one of your favorites. You can click on this here. And I use Goodnotes, so maybe I should have started with that. So what a digital planner is essentially a PDF document that you can export to any note-taking tool. So what I use is Goodnotes. And in Goodnotes, you can actually favorite your favorite pages. So when you go into the view, you want to see all the pages here. You can actually view your favorites. When you click on favorites, it takes you to that favorite page so that you saved. And you can have multiple ones, not just one. So if I wanted to have my vision board as my favorite, I would click on this little ribbon here. Once you go here on the little squares to view all the pages, now you can see whenever I make my vision board, that would be populated here. So you can also do that as well. And I use Goodnotes. There's so many out there. There's Notability. I think there's called one Note Taker. I can link all the tools for you below. And this is going to be available in my Etsy shop, the deal for Black Friday. So make sure you get it while it's on sale. And if you have any questions, please drop them down below. I am very excited that I finally brought this to life. I had another version of a digital planner that I was working on, and I got so many requests to convert the actual physical planner into a digital planner, which is what I did. So I hope you like it. Let me know your comments, feedback. And actually, before I leave you, I did say that there's four, you can keep all of these covers, or you can select just the cover page that you like and just delete the pages that you don't want. So these are the four covers here. So if you use Goodnotes, you can always go onto the little slider and just move it to the trash. Whatever cover you don't want, move it to the trash. Or you can drag them and move them all the way at the bottom. If every time you open your planner in Goodnotes, you want to have the specific cover that you chose, you have an option to do that. So yeah, again, any questions, there's feel free to drop them here in the comments. And each month does have a page for each month. So yeah, I'm so excited and it looks so pretty. I'm so excited that I brought this to life here in digital form. So you have options now. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next one.